Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to continue our Laravel e-commerce website project. Okay, so guys, till now we have completed the subcategory things. Okay, so now we are going to start with the products. Okay, so to insert products we will get started. So guys, now we have to make products where how this is viewing it. So we have already created the template, right? So for this to get started you have to use a URL called products. So over there I have already started with this and build it. Okay, so fine. Now guys, you have to go to your create a route with the name products and create a controller where product controller at index you will go. So as simple, we are reaching over here and we are calling this page to view it, right? So let's go to this page and you can see that the table, the file blade file has been called, and this is the right now file it is. So collection products, it's over here. So guys, everything's set, and now this I'm not showing you why, because this will take a lot of time to do it. So it's a basic thing, so you can understand if you're a Laravel developer or continuing with this series. So guys, now over here I have created a simple route, a URL called add products where the name add products. Okay, so now this is the URL, so let's go to that. So this is the name add products, so I'm going to click on it. So let's click on it, add a product. Cool. So add product is route is fetched and the page has been designed already. Okay, for example, now this is the product route, so let's copy and go to web.php, control F. So this is the route over here, so let's go to this product controller over here. now I have built this the page. Okay, so this is the page going at the create page. Okay, so let's go to first this page. So this is the page guys, as simple. This is the our breadcrumb for it, and through this controller I am passing one subcategory. Subcategory means the product subcategory things. So guys, now we will get started to the main concept. So the main concept of this video, adding a product, right? So now for example, you are taking a mobile brand. Okay, mobile. So for example, I'll tell Redmi Note 8 or 7 Pro, whatever you're using the brand. But this brand, this mobile phone belongs to which? Nokia or MI brand? So MI brand, right? So that we have to select. So for this I have fetched that category things into the create blade file. Okay, so guys, now I will show below the forms. I'll show the forms all everything. Let me minimize this. Now we have to just I'll show you what is this and all, so do not get confused guys. Very simple, as this is a card body and the form tag, right? And this is the form end and this simple button for save button. Okay, save, as you can see over here, save thing. So now these things I have used a Bootstrap stuffs, so to view that output, because I am storing in one form means it's becoming too lengthy, so I am using in this format. So guys, as you go to getbootstrap.com, you will search for navs. Okay, so when you click on navs, you will at the below you are going to find some JavaScript behavior. Over there I have found this options, right? So I've just copied this code, same codes, and pasted it. See over here guys, so this is my code I have pasted. Okay, simple. Now first tab, this product description, status and SEO, four tabs I have done. So guys, all the unwanted things just remove it off, because get Bootstrap on. See here, over here we are getting some these things, aerial and aerial controls. I don't require this and all, so I just have removed that those things and just kept this simple things as ID and href, right? So as you change this product and that tab ID should be matched with product. So same with description and the description, right? So same thing is here to get followed with it. So now, for example, I have just made one simple latest test with this, or let's reload the page. SEO comes below this, so I have pasted the below things, right? Okay, done. Everything is set, and let me give some gap so that you can understand very clearly. Okay guys, so now product, as you can see here, product, first product will go. So name, subcategory, URL, small description, and image, original price, offer price, quantity and priority. So these are the things which we are going to include on our product table. So first let us open the product one. As you can see, row, this is the product name, subcategory, URL, small description, image, and the original price, offer price, quantity, priority. So same wise I have inserted in this also highlights, product description and product details. Same with this also, meta tag, description and keywords. And the final one, this is the status for arrivals and all. So I'll just explain you in very simple format. So I'll just show you this also. So this is the code guys, right now. Set it, save it. Okay, so as simple, you have to create a simple form with your names. Okay, so now this is for showing the description things in the product, and this is SEO purpose, because we have to set the meta tag, description and keywords. And this is the product status, like if you want to show this product in new arrivals, you can check this, and in new featured also, popular products also, offer products also. And this is for show hide. Show hide means if you check, it will be hidden, if you uncheck, it will be shown, right? So you can set in this format. So guys, now let's start the coding for it. Okay, so now first step, let's create a what we'll say, migration table. Okay,